Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. In history's vast, unfolding script, chapters stark and grim. The 45th, his legacy clipped, as legal lights grow dim. From classified realms where secrets dwell, to halls where shadows silently tell. Hush money scheme to silence was a bender. A narrative Trump wants to continue to hinder. In the tumultuous weeks preceding the 2016 presidential election, efforts to stifle a potentially damaging narrative involved Donald Trump's attorney endeavoring to silence a porn actress who claimed a sexual encounter with Trump during his tenure as a reality TV personality. The legal landscape has evolved, with New York prosecutors charging Trump in relation to the payoff. Back in August 21, 2018, Jeffrey Berman, U.S. Attorney's Office, Southern District of New York, Republican, indicted Michael Cohen, Trump's former lawyer, who's pled guilty to charges of tax evasion, making false statements to a banking institution, and violating campaign finance laws, has cast a long shadow. Along with his concealment of over $4 million from the IRS and misinformation regarding a $500,000 loan, is the concerted effort to influence public perception and evade legal scrutiny. Cohen's admission of orchestrating a $280,000 payment to silence two women alleging affairs with Trump to keep from the U.S. public. This legal odyssey took a pivotal turn in the New York Supreme Court, where Judge Juan Merchan addressed a request from the former president to delay his forthcoming hush money trial. Trump's legal maneuver, seeking postponement pending a U.S. Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity relating to actions during the 2020 election, was rebuffed. Scheduled for April 15, the trial scrutinizes allegations of Trump manipulating business records tied to a payment to Stormy Daniels before the 2016 presidential election. Judge Merchan emphasized the inappropriateness of Trump's late immunity claim, and elected not to consider whether such immunity might exclude evidence of Trump's conduct, including comments about Michael Cohen and Stormy Daniels during his presidency. Despite the defense's plea for delay beyond the 45-day pretrial motion deadline, Merchan's stance signals a firm commitment to proceed with the trial, marking a critical moment in legal proceedings. The case, denoted as IND 7154-323N. The Supreme Court of the State of New York, County of New York. By District Attorney Alvin Bragg, Democrat. Indictment outlines how Trump purportedly compensated lawyer A through monthly checks, initially from a trust holding Trump Organization assets, during his presidency. This act is depicted as part of a broader strategy to obscure criminal activities by falsifying business records. Further examination reveals the catch-and-kill scheme to suppress negative information, a concerted effort to protect Trump's image during his presidential campaign. This strategy involves suppressing detrimental stories about Trump, with complicity from key figures, including Lawyer A and American Media Incorporated, AMI. A notable meeting at Trump Tower in 2015 between Trump, Lawyer A, and AMI's CEO laid the groundwork for AMI's commitment to deflecting negative stories about Trump and targeting his rivals. Moreover, the indictment includes a strategic discussion in September 2016 between Trump and Lawyer A about acquiring rights to a story from Woman 1 through AMI, leading to the formation of Resolution Consultants, LLC for this purpose. Despite an initial agreement, the plan was aborted after consultations with AMI's legal counsel. The complex web of actions and reactions illustrates the lengths to which Trump and his associates went to maintain his public image and political viability. Now under the microscope in the hush money trial overseen by Judge Merchan, the saga continued with the emergence of allegations from Woman 2 following the Access Hollywood tapes release. The ensuing arrangement to silence Woman 2, facilitated by Lawyer A and negotiated with Woman 2's representative, Lawyer B, under Trump's directive to form calculated efforts to navigate the election's critical final stages. Trump's instruction to delay the payment, to circumvent it entirely if delayed past the election, are the strategic maneuvers employed. The pressure of the impending election necessitated a decisive action, with Trump sanctioning the payoff. Lawyer A, leveraging a new shell company. Essential Consultants LLC. And funding from his home equity line of credit, executed the payment. Epitomizing the concerted efforts to shield Trump's campaign from potential scandals. Judge Merchan trial date for Monday, April 15, 2024. Florida's vaults, unsealed to reveal the depths of clandestine fray. In DC's courts and Georgia's stage, the legal battles hold their sway. In the highest court, a question posed: immunity. The world watches the unbalanced scales in the community. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.